What's up, guys? So today I have this 19-inch enclosure that I bought for my amp rack also. The idea behind this, or my idea, is to have power come into this enclosure and go through this little guy, which has a voltmeter, an amp meter, and a frequency meter, and also try to install here a differential switch to protect the amplifiers. And I was thinking that maybe to have a better cable management, after the differential switch I would have the cables run out of here to the correct size. So my amp rack is a little bit small, so I wanted to make everything as compact as possible. And since I have a unit space available above my crossover, my idea, was to have this guy mounted. It's a pretty simple box, but the cool thing is you can do whatever you want with it. This goes on here somewhere, goes on here, yeah. No, this is plastic. It wasn't that expensive. It costed like 18 bucks, I think, or 22, something like that. This is probably ABS plastic. Trying to find if I can see, but yeah, this is ABS. It's not fiberglass reinforced. Nope, no fiberglass. But for what it is for, I think it will be okay. Let me know what you think. This little guy, a differential switch, maybe some auxiliary lights, maybe a USB port or something like that to charge the phone or whatever. I don't know. The main thing is to have power come in, go through the differential switch, and then come out the back with the cables cut to size, so the amps will will have the right cable with the right size, go to the amp and occupy the minimal space possible, so the rack will be tidy. I'm just going to assemble it so you can see how it looks completely mounted. There we go. It's actually more sturdy than I thought. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Till next time.